Hi guys, Lance here. Hey, today we're going to set up a list and then integrate it with your funnel. Now, first of all, we need to cover a few things. Now, I use ActiveCampaign for my autoresponder. I'm only on the $97 a month plan with Clickfunnels, so I cannot use their follow-up funnels or Actionetics. So I use this third-party autoresponder. ActiveCampaign, in my experience, is by far and away the best. You don't need any other third-party email provider or anything like that. It's all in one. So as I said, in my experience, this is the best. So I encourage you to sign up for an ActiveCampaign account. You will get a 14-day free trial. Once that 14-day free trial ends, I think it's around about between $9 and $11 a month anyway, something like that. It's nice and cheap. So the first thing you need to do once you have signed up for ActiveCampaign, you need to integrate your ActiveCampaign to ClickFunnels, and it's reasonably easy. So the first thing we're going to do is actually click over in ClickFunnels. You want to come up here to the right, click on Account Settings, come down here to where it says Integrations, click on Integrations, then come up here and click on Add New Integration. As you can see here, ActiveCampaign is the first one. That must mean it's the best. So we'll click on that. Now, there's a bit of information you need to, don't worry about this warning. That just means that because I've already set up my ActiveCampaign within ClickFunnels, I've already integrated it. That's just telling me that I don't really want to be editing it, but that's okay. So now that we've got to this page, we'll go back to our email marketing ActiveCampaign. What we want to do here is come down here to Settings. Come up here to Developer. Now this is the information we're going to key in, okay? So what we need to do is add a nickname. So call it what you want. I call it GenClick's ActiveCampaign. It's just a nickname of your integration. All right, your API key. What you want to be doing is triple click. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Triple click, copy, and paste into there. Go back, grab your URL. This is your ActiveCampaign URL. Copy, back to ClickFunnels, paste. Now once you've done that, you would click Add Integration. I'm not going to do that because I have already set up my integration and I don't want to be doing it again. So once you have done that, we will click out of that because I don't want to go any further. Come back to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. To set up a list, come down to Lists. Come up here to the right and add a list. Going to give your list a name. I'm just going to name it Test. You call it whatever you like. Add your URL. You could put the URL that points to your funnel. I'm just going to put generation clicks. Oops. So this is what you want to name your list. So you would say something like, you are challenge. I'm going to click Add. So now you have your new list. Now you want to come back to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Go to Funnels. Click on the funnel you want to integrate with. Edit page. Right. So now you want to come up here to Settings. straight underneath you'll see integrations. It says it's not connected, so we want to connect it. We select, when you click down on this drop box, you will see that it will come up with your nickname that you named your integration. So mine was GenClick's ActiveCampaign. We want to select an action. So we want to add to a list. Then we want to select a list. See, mine's come up here with the test. That's the one that we've set up in ActiveCampaign. So we click that. And we are now done. So you now have a list integrated with your funnel. You also have your ActiveCampaign integrated with Clickfunnels as well. Alright guys, cheers.